Work order states that no water comes out of the shower when the tub diverter is in the up position. This is a very common problem and a very easy fix for these tub spouts, or should I say replacement. This style is locked on to the 5/8 copper pipe by a hex screw. If you don't see the hex screw, yours might be the threaded type. Just twist it to remove it. I'm gonna clean up this copper pipe a little bit before I install the new tub diverter, which is pretty much the exact same as the old tub diverter, which uses compression to make the watertight seal. One thing I do regret on this repair is not putting any silicone lubrication over the copper pipe prior to sliding this over the 5/8 copper pipe. And I know that old caulking looks nasty and you would probably want me to remove that, but what you don't realize that this shower tile was cheaply spray painted recently, and if I remove that, it's just gonna be a bunch of yellow behind there, covered in white caulking. It'll look worse than it already does. But hey, I've got this tightened to the copper pipe, and now I'm just gonna test for leaks and make sure that all the water comes out of the shower head. Everything's looking good up there, and everything is looking even better down there. One last thing I'm gonna do, and this is the apartment maintenance special, is I'm gonna caulk over the old spray painted caulking because I don't have many options here, and I just need to make sure that that is a watertight seal. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This fix is done.